Hi everyone, it's Marina again. This is part two. This is an update of part one, and this is how to make a mask, a face mask with the things that you have at home. So what I did was I got a little bit more information and I found out that even though t-shirts are really great to use, I was told that a fabric that is cotton that does not stretch, because t-shirts stretch and it can open up the fibers and the virus can go through that, but a mask is a mask is a mask. Make sure you have one. And so if you can, look in your areas where you have your sheets and take a look and maybe make them out of that, because that works better. I'm going to make some out of this. This is an old sheet that I have. And then I want to make it remind you that it was very simple to make this, 18 by 18 inch, and then fabric. And then as you fold it up, I have in part one, I'll show you that. Just this wire here, just insert it in here. And then this just sculpts around your nose, so it keeps it nice and firm on your nose so that no germs can get inside there. Interfacing inside the center, and that is if you have it. A lot of people don't have it. This is for people who sew. This is what you put in collars and in sleeves to keep them stiff. This is my Ace bandage, and you can actually just get a sock and cut that, and this is how you make these little loops. I use scissors. I didn't use my stud finder. I don't know how to use it, I guess, because I haven't found any studs. I might put it on my keychain. I don't know. Maybe that'll work. Rotating cutter, my needle nose pliers, and then the wire. You can use this wire. I forgot to mention you can use wire that you use to hang paintings and drawings. I have a little bit of extra of that, and these are my extra. And then also vegetable ties. Those are really great. And then if you can't find goggles, and I don't know how serious this is going to be, but they are saying, if you can have eye protection. And so these are my swim goggles. They work fine, except at night, as I said. And so just also to mention to you what I do, because I don't have gloves either. So I thought, well, I'm just going to go and get my bags. Oh, it makes too loud. These are just lunch bags, and I use them when I walk in and out of the house, to open up gates, to open up doors that I'm not normally, that aren't mine, that aren't clean. And then when I'm finished, like say I'm walking out the door, get in my car, I take it, I reverse it, and then I just roll it up and put it in my pocket, or maybe tuck it under my seat. Then when I come back home, I open it up, put my hand back in, and then I throw these away. I use them only once. That's what I use. The other thing I do is I have one pair of shoes. I leave with the same shoes, and I come back and I leave them in the corner of my hallway so that they don't come into the house. And that's just an update to what the other things that I do and the extra information about the sheet. And I have to say, this was really fun scavenging through my house. A friend of mine, she's scavenging, and it was really fun talking with her. I got to brainstorm. That's another thing. You can get together with somebody to brainstorm. It's even more fun to make a mask. So actually I brainstormed with two people, and it was really great getting information and passing it on. It's like, you get bright ideas, and or someone will say something and then you get an idea from that, or you both give each other ideas, and that's really great too. So that's what I did. And okay, stay safe. Let's see, I don't really have anything else to say, so I just wanted to update you on the fabrics and how easy it is. And get together with somebody. You will have a lot of fun, and right now we need to have some fun. Okay, I will see you soon.